Hello Chevy fam! We're back with another Oil Life Reset content. Today, we're working on a 2002 to 2024 Chevy Tahoe. So let me show you guys how I reset the oil change light on this car. On the old Chevy Tahoe, you can reset the oil life by using the gas pedal. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Put the key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Go over to the gas pedal and you'll depress the pedal 3 times within 5 seconds, and you're done. After that, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. Next, for the 2007 to 2014 Chevy Tahoe, you can also reset the oil life through the cluster display if your car has the DIC button. So here's how it's done. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Hit the car information icon button until you see that message, which is pretty much the oil life remaining. Step 3. Come down a bit and you're gonna hold the checks button until it turns it to 100% and you're done. For the 4th generation Chevy Tahoe, you can reset the oil life through the cluster display, but there are 2 model displays and it depends on your car trim level. So let me guide you the base model first. Step 1. Turn the key on. Step 2. Turn the trip knob on the dash and you're just gonna scroll through it till you get to the oil life screen. Step 3. Hold down the knob until it resets itself to 100% and you're done. Next, we will reset the oil life by using the buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. So make sure your Tahoe is equipped with this. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it on. Step 2. Click the left arrow button to open the main menu. Step 3. Use the up or down arrow button to highlight info menu on the top menu and press the check button to enter. Step 4. Scroll down until they give you the oil life menu. Step 5. Hold down the check button and when it beeps is gonna change automatically to 100% and you're done. The 5th generation Tahoe comes equipped with electronic navigation. So let's go inside and see what it takes to reset though. Step 1. Start up your car. Step 2. Use the buttons on your steering wheel and press over to the right to go to the I symbol. Step 3. Scroll up or down until you get the oil life screen. Step 4. Push the thumb wheel and it will give you a prompt to reset. Step 5. Highlight yes and finally press the thumb wheel to confirm oil life reset. So that's how you reset oil life on this Chevy Tahoe. Job's done, easy going. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Please subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.